We are of Team 13 and these are my teammates. He is Navneet, Manoj, Rohit and Adna and myself I am Shalini. And today our topic is bullying and we designed a project called bullying. Now I am going to start about the problem statement. If we observe in the remote areas or in the hilly areas or in the mining areas, there are a lot of people facing the problem with the cellular network or with the internet or with the Wi-Fi connection and anything. And to avoid all these problems, we designed a project called Bluelink, which works only with the Bluetooth and without using any cellular network or any Wi-Fi or any connections. Only with Bluetooth we could chat and we could chat with a single person or we could chat with the group chats. So all to overcome all this problem, we designed a project like this. And next we'll continue with the next person.
I'm going to tell about existing solutions. First one is the Bootstrap, a Bluetooth low energy of a chart and a start architecture diagram. Illustrates the layered protocol structure of a physical link host application that enables the local wireless communication, and it defines how devices such as sensors and phones discover each other and manage connections and exchange data with the via GAT.
So, good afternoon everyone. My name is Avishkar. So, I am saying about the proposal solution. So, design and implement a Bluetooth low cost energy BLE based on offline communication system using ESP32 as a controller. And working principle, we are using smartphones. So, smartphone connected to the ESP32 via Bluetooth low cost energy. And when we are sending message to the processor, it will be received and it will be sent the another phone and communication occurs without any internet or SIM cards or Wi-Fi, any internet connections. It will work on only offline and key features infrastructure free communications and low power consumption using BLE and portable batteries power supply.
I'm saying about components required. First I am telling about hardware requirements, ESP32 module and microcontroller, and another one is mobile phones. And software requirements, Arduino IDE software and ESP32 BLE library and Flutter framework, APK build tools, Flutter BLE plugin. Now I am discussing about the block diagram. There are two mobile phones. One acts as a server and one acts as a receiver. And phone one is acts as a sender. First a message sent to a phone one and received and the message forwarded to the ESP32 module. The ESP32 module sent process it and send to the other mobile phone, which is a client to or a receiver.
Good afternoon everyone. This is Navneet. I am saying about the working principle of my project in Bluelink. When phone one is known as the client one, we need to only Bluetooth communication as well as we need to install the Bluetooth BLE chat app where we can use it to communicate with the nearby person who is using the BLE chat app application. When we open the Bluetooth chat app, we need to scan and connect the devices where we can see the options like single chat, group chat, and location and Bluetooth information from the remote. We tap on the single chat where we can chat a single peer-to-peer connection, whereas in group chat we need to connect with any number of people within 4 to 5 limit. We can communicate within the nearby locations. 50.
So I am going to discuss the last slide. It is the conclusion. And the main aim of our project is it is an offline communication which is used in the remote areas which are restricted areas. And it is also useful for the middle class people who can't afford the more prices to buy the walkie-talkie like that. So it is very useful and also it is used for chats. We can also improve the voice chats like this. And now here is the output.